Welcome to this tutorial on installing and configuring the Plur-E extension for Dynamics 365 Business Central. Before getting started, make sure you have the following requirements. First, a Dynamics 365 Business Central production or sandbox environment to install the extension. Second, a user with global administrator permissions across all companies configured in Business Central. Third, an Android device on which the Plur-E mobile app will be installed. To install the Plur-E extension, follow these steps. First, search for the Plur-E extension for Business Central in Microsoft AppSource. Second, select the account from which you want to acquire the extension. Remember to have a user with global administrator permission. Third, choose the environment in which the extension will be installed. Fourth, follow the steps provided by Business Central to install the Plur-E extension. Once the Plur-E extension is installed, go to the Business Central page called Assisted Setup and select Plur-E Setup to open the Plur-E wizard and configure it. Follow the terms and conditions in the Plur-E wizard and grant the necessary permissions to Plur-E in the Business Central Azure Active Directory application. The wizard will allow you to configure the document series that Plur-E can use in the mobile application. This list of series will be pre-selected according to the modules purchased on the Plur-E portal. If you search in the Business Central search engine for the Plur-E setup page, you will see all the settings and the link to the Plur-E Web Administration portal, where you can configure the modules you have subscribed and configured, for example, the Sales module. Consider these additional aspects during installation. First, if you get a message to go to the Business Central Extensions Manager page, select the Plur-E extension and choose the Configure option. Activate the Allow HTTP Client Requests checkbox